Go.
Hello friends and family. This is the best channel, and we do crazy mad things, and my name is Crazy Mad. And I just want to show you, first I'm going to start backwards. Once you make your cord, you check it by seeing if it works. So you plug it in on both sides, you turn it on, power, and then there will be lights. And we are too much in the sun. I don't know if you could see the lights. And so, see how the lights go from 1 to 2, 3 to 6, 4 to 5, 7 to 8? That means your cord that you just made is good. And great job. Make sure you turn it off so you don't run down the battery. So, what you want to do is grab one of these fancy connectors. This cool tool. One side's a stripper, not like, make your money worth, but a stripper, and the other side is for cutting. So, you need to strip one of these ends back a little. This circle one here is the stripper side. So, I always make it a little longer. Put the cord in, turn it all around, and yeah, there you go, the hokey pokey. And I did a not so great job of it, obviously. Let's try that again. Got it locked in. Make sure the cord turns, pull it out. Now you got your cords. Now you'll have to separate all the cords. This one I usually cut off. This is...
You think I wasn't gonna come with you? Is your whiny baby? Are you the whiny baby? Never got in there.
I don't have the tools to cut this piece right now. So, there's going to be 4 colors. Solids and stripes. Sorry, my hair is getting in my way. So there is a standard way to do it, but the standard way don't matter. You just have to make sure you do both sides the same. And so, let me get these separated, because you gotta
keep them separated.
Yes, exactly. Keep them separated.
Oh, you're making a video. Sorry.
Oh no, you're fine. So I do the solids, then the stripe to follow that color. And that is definitely not the way they do it, but for me, that's the easier way. So we're gonna start with brown. And you don't have to cut these wires back. Then I'm gonna do blue. And then green. And then orange. So you try to line them all up flat. Make sure they're the same length. I can't see due to my fantastic hair. Is this video gonna send because is it too long? So you just wanna, this is the harder part. Just get everything nice and flat. And if you got some clippers, it helps. But you want to make sure it's solid stripe, solid stripe, solid stripe, solid stripe, brown, blue, green, orange. And let's see if I could get these cut in a straight line to help us out. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. I need some side cutters. Why did it not want to cut? I don't get that. Hold on, let me try again. All right, we're doing this live. There's no edit. And you're going to want to find yourself some side clippers. I have some in the truck, but I'm going to need to take these with us on our trip. So I can't lend these ones out. But hopefully you have some side clippers or I think the unprofessional word is dikes. And for some reason we can't say that no more. I think it's because it starts with a D and there's some bad D words out there. There we go. Nice. Square. So, to recap, brown stripe, blue stripe, green stripe, orange stripe. So make sure this is facing the same way both times, which I put the tab facing down, and you slide them in all the way up. And you try to make sure, if you got some good eyes, that your cord stayed in the same order. So there's the old phone and there's the Ethernet. You want the Ethernet one. And I feel like it's backwards. You just slide her in, slide her in. Make sure you didn't pull your wires out, and then you're just gonna clamp it down. Use force. Use the force. yeah. Oh, and I didn't do something right. Man, I wish we could edit this video. I don't know what I did wrong, but it didn't work. That's awesome. That's so crazy mad. That was not the Scooby Laugh. I was debating on doing it, but I did not do it. I don't know what I did wrong, but I can't get it out. That's the problem with some guys. I'm gonna need a screwdriver. Screwdriver. Oh, screwdriver. And I did something wrong. Did I go in backwards? I don't know. It didn't clamp though. Don't do it that way. This is, I wanted to show you how not to do it. This is how you definitely don't want to do it, because this happens, and I just wanted to make sure you understood that, because when you go in the wrong way, you know, just bad things happen. And I definitely went in the wrong way, I believe. And I think that's why it didn't work. Oh my goodness. All right. Yes, I totally went in backwards. So go in on the number side. That's why it seemed like it didn't feel right, is because it wasn't right. It's not that I went in the wrong hole, I just went in the hole backwards. All right, so let's try this again. So now that I got my side cutters out, I'm gonna cut this string that is unneeded. All right, make sure your colors are in order again. Once again, brown with stripes, blue with stripes, green with stripes, orange with stripes. Now we're gonna try this again. And like I said, tab down, slide it all the way in the holes. There's little grooves in there to separate each one. Just make sure you keep it all the way in. Numbers facing the wire. 8P. Push her in. Give it that grip, the Kung Fu grip. Push it. Grab it.
Push it.
Yeah. Now, this time, we had more success. It stayed on. I've only done like 100 of these, so this is just my first time. And there you go. So here's a wire here. This is pretty long, and you can cut it to length. Once again, these do not come with it. I need these. Or, if you have to, I got a box. If this ain't long enough, there's a whole box I got extra clips just in case if you do like me and mess it up. And I'm just gonna put this stuff right here in the garage, which you probably already have it at your house and you probably are already working on it, but hey, just to let you know. And then the tester thing, and like I said, all these the first 4 lights should light up when properly done. And yeah, it was already on. I just turned it off. So you don't need this one. This was just a tester, just to show for the video. But here's the tester, off position. And yeah, this, you don't need that.